Saving $1,000 in just 30 days might sound like a big challenge, but it's completely doable with a focused plan. The key is to break it down. $1,000 over 30 days is about $33 a day. Now that the goal feels more manageable, let's dive into how you can make it happen. The first step is knowing where your money goes. For the next 3 days, write down every dollar you spend. Use a notebook, an app, or even your phone's notes. This will give you a clear picture of what you can cut out. Ask yourself, do I really need that daily coffee? Or could I pack lunch instead of eating out? You might be surprised at how much money slips through your fingers on little things. For the next 30 days, create a bare-bones budget. List all your essential expenses: rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Everything else is non-essential. For this 1 month, limit spending on extras like dining out, subscriptions, or online shopping. Think of it as a short-term sacrifice for a big reward. You're not giving these up forever, just for now. Take a look around your home. Are there items you don't use anymore? Old clothes, gadgets, furniture, or even books can bring in cash. Post them on platforms like Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or local community groups. You'll not only make extra money but also free up space in your home. Decluttering has double benefits. Pro tip: start with 10 items. Selling just a few things can give you a solid head start on your savings goal. There are so many quick ways to make extra cash in 30 days. Here are a few ideas. Sign up for food delivery services like DoorDash or Uber Eats and work a couple of hours in the evenings. Offer babysitting or pet sitting services in your neighborhood. Take online surveys or freelance small jobs on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Even 1 or 2 side gigs can help you bring in a few $100s by the end of the month. For the next 30 days, commit to spending money only on absolute essentials. Skip takeout, avoid impulse buys, and stay away from shopping malls or online stores. Instead, find free alternatives. Cook at home. Enjoy free entertainment like parks or community events. Borrow books from the library instead of buying them. Every dollar you don't spend is a dollar saved. Look at your monthly subscriptions, streaming services, gym memberships, or magazine apps. Are you really using all of them? For just 1 month, pause or cancel anything you can live without. That $10 here and $15 there can quickly add up to significant savings. Remember, you can always resubscribe later if you miss them. Small changes to your daily habits can lower your utility bills. For example, turn off lights when you leave a room. Lower your thermostat by a few degrees. Use cold water for laundry instead of hot. These changes might seem small, but over 30 days, they can help reduce your monthly expenses, leaving you with more money to save. If you do need to spend money, make it work for you. Use cashback apps like Rakuten, Ibotta, or Honey to earn rewards on your purchases. For groceries, check if there are discounts or coupons you can use. Even a few dollars saved here and there will contribute to your goal. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account. Even if it's $5 or $10 a day, automating the process makes saving effortless. At the end of 30 days, you'll see how quickly those small amounts add up. Call your service providers for internet, phone, or insurance. Many times, just asking for a discount or promotional rate can save you a lot. A simple conversation could free up extra money to put toward your $1,000 goal. Every week, review your progress. If you've saved $250 by week 1, celebrate with something small, maybe a fun, free activity. Staying motivated is essential to reaching your goal. Once you've saved $1,000, what's next? Maybe it's building an emergency fund, paying off debt, or investing. Use this challenge as the starting point for a lifetime of good money habits.